loves, welcome back to my channel. Subrena here. So today I'm here with a very easy, super quick passion twist video for you guys. So we are doing crochet passion twist. Save the hours, save the money. This is so much easier. So starting out, I just want to show you guys my braiding pattern for my crochet braids. So I wanted the very hairline to look like individual twists. So you see a section there where I basically made individual sections. I braided the very front of my hair. I braided them down about 3 inches and then I just left the hair loose. So for the back part, I sectioned it in half going from ear to ear. I did about 8 braids going back for the top half, and then I joined 2 braids together to make 4 braids in the back section, or it might have been more. You guys get what I'm saying. I did maybe 10 or 12, I can't remember, but you guys could see. So now we're going to go into the crochet part. So to get the hairs out of the way, I basically just braid the loose ends all together. I braid it as tight as possible, and then I kind of flipped it under and just wrapped the ends around the braids on the bottom and kind of did like this weaving notion. And I wasn't really too worried about it becoming unloose because I knew when I did my crochet braids, I would go through that section and make sure it was really tight to hold it. You can always sew your loose ends down, bobby pin it, whatever you feel like doing, whatever is comfortable for you, you do that. I will say though, next time, instead of doing the back half going straight back, I would braid my hair going from side to side, because I feel like this way sometimes you can have issues hiding the spaces in the back. So if you braid your hair going from side to side, it will just fall really nice and you won't have to worry about any spaces or seeing parts in your hair. So the hair that I am using is the Tiana Passion Twist Crochet hair. So these are pre-twisted passion twists. It does come with a crochet needle. It also comes with some colorful accessories and rubber band. I'm assuming most people use the rubber band methods. So these are how your packages come. You do get 7 packs in one order, and each pack has 11 individual twist. And right here you're gonna see I'm showing you guys what the twists look like. It comes like on a little ring, and the twists are so neat. All of the twists are handmade twists, and they were handmade by professional braiders. And Bohemian hair is what was used to make the twist, and they are 20 inches long. So getting into the tutorial, if you have never done crochet braids before, you would slide the crochet hook open through your braid, and then you would separate the loop at the very base, latch it around the hook, close the latch, and then slide it back through the braid. And once you have enough of the hair through the braid, that's when I just usually take it off of my crochet hook, open up the latch, and I just pull the hair through and tighten it. Now I only wrap the hair through the loop once. If you want a more secure hold and you want to make sure that your knots at your roots don't puff up, then you can knot it twice. Knotting it once, I will say, makes the removal very easy. So the company did send me this hair. This video is sponsored. So they did send me an additional 2 packs. So altogether I had 9 packs of hair, and I almost used all 9 packs even though I didn't need it. 1 pack is more than enough to do your hair. So right here I was showing you how the twists look with the parting that I did. I did spaces in between each twist, and basically the next row I would do the twist in between those spaces. So once it falls, as you can see, it just covers up those gaps in the previous row. So this was about 1 pack of hair, and you can see the fullness that it already has. And then right here, I believe this was 2 packs of hair. So as you can see, just space them out, girl. You don't need all 7 packs. You can if you want to, but it's honestly unnecessary. But 1 pack is definitely enough. So after I did the crochet twist throughout the whole back of my head, I did go ahead and do my hairline, and this is what's going to give it the natural look. As you can see, look at this right here. This is almost 9 packs of hair. It looks really good and it's really full. It's still really light. It's not heavy, but you don't need all that twist in your hair. So how you can get the natural hairline to make it look like individual twists. So you would take one of those braids that you made, you would crochet through the very base of the braid. You would crochet the hair like you would any other time and pull it through. When you pull it through, make sure that you're not including your hair in it yet or that it doesn't get tangled. But after you pull it through and you secure it at the root, make sure you don't rip out your hair or anything like that. Be gentle with your edges. All I did was basically kind of unravel the twist a little bit towards the base, and then I just joined my hair with one of the sections of the twist, and then I just twisted back down. So you don't have to unravel the whole twist, but you will have to keep twisting till everything is blended in. And when you get to the end of your hair, you would just kind of roll the twist as if you're doing like a Bantu knot motion, and it will blend very easily. So again, this hairstyle was so quick. With braiding and inserting, it literally took me 2 hours versus the 8 to 10 hours it took me myself when I did individual passion twists myself. And the cost is pretty inexpensive. So for one pack, it's $65. It's about $64 and some change. But when you compare it to what you would pay at a salon to do passion twists, like over $200-300, you're saving some coins, sis. So I will have the link to this hair down below. If you have any questions, definitely just ask me down below and I will get back to you. But this is the final result. I really love it. I love how quick it is. And again, I told y'all I saved my hair, so the next time I'm going on a vacation, I need a quick style that I don't care about getting wet or anything like that. This is definitely what I'm going to. Let me know what you guys think about it, and if you like it, definitely give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video.